Oh, you know what? Let Hill doing acrylic though.
Mm-hmm.
Flowers. You think you can do it?
Do what with acrylic?
3D flowers?
Sure, I can do it. I don't know what 10 hours, but sure, I can do it.
It's cool watching Hill doing it. My turn now, dragon. Jen, Hill said she's gonna do it for you. Ah, looks so adorable. Is that cute?
Mm-hmm.
So it's yellow sun. The other one, let me see if I can get the golden. There's over there is golden. So a lot of you were asking question that what difference between golden yellow suns and this one is golden. So like a little bit golder, like golden, gold, a little bit gold.
A little more warmer color.
Should I do green or should I do white one? I like them both.
Do white.
White. Is it pink? No. White looks good. White's the best. Do you do matte? Do you do shiny top coat yet? No, not yet.
Nope, I don't think so.
I think we're busy talking. No white top coat. I'm having so much fun today. Okay, the top coat on the top, so then it's got the double secure already, and then we're gonna put this perfect shard. Either way, you can do the perfect shard this way or the other way, however you would like. Okay, you can decide however you want. And I'm putting some of the cute Glitz crystal. It's coming in different colors. So how can you tell? This is like on the back it have a green. I mean the green reflect. This one have a blue. It have blue reflected. And then it have a pink and have pink reflected. It's really easy to find. It looks like it's similar, but it's not. Even the heart, when you're doing the heart, was being a blue. And then this heart is like a light blue. And then the other heart is green. I don't have it here. But like this one is yellow. This under is yellow. So easy for you to find the gloves that you like. Glitz crystal that you like. Alright. So now, happy with this? I am going to cure this beauty for 60 seconds.